Hello and welcome to this session of Margdarshi Skills Academy. In this session, we will learn the use of adverb and make sentences in English. This will make your sentences beautiful and you will be appreciated for that. I've used some of the adjective verbs. Now we will learn how to use adverb. Adverb can be used with verb as well as adjective. It will make your sentences better. Now let us see the use. With verb, normally some words which end with ly, quickly, beautifully, smartly, successfully, all these words are adverb in nature. So let us see the example. He walks slowly. She talks nicely. So if you see the words slowly and then ly. He runs quickly. He dresses smartly. She talks intelligently. So all these are verbs, the adverbs which make the verb better. Now where is the verb here? He walks slowly. So walks is your verb and slowly is your adverb. So adverb clarifies and gives the meaning to the verb in a better way. So he walks. How does he walk? He walks slowly. How does he walk? He walks quickly. She talks. How does she talk? She talks nicely. She talks politely. Right? He runs quickly. The deer runs quickly. So the run, the quality of run it is showing, so it is adverb. Correct? So it refines the verb and gives a better meaning. Adverb is that. First one. The second example. It is used with adjective also. So here the word is, he is too smart. Too means very. He is too smart. Mr. Mohan is too old. Means he is very old. He is too intelligent. Einstein was too intelligent, means he was a genius. So these are also the ways to express, and these are two, the word to here is adverb, which qualifies or which explains the adjective smart. He is too smart. She is fairly tall. She is tall but fairly tall. So we use fairly as adverb. And tall, as you know, is adjective. Now there are other verbs also. With verb also we use adverb. Except other than ly also there are many other verbs. For example, she never tells a lie. She never tells a lie. He always comes on time. So you see, tell is a verb. Never becomes adverb. She never tells a lie. He always comes on time. Come is a verb. So it is qualifying and explaining how does he come. He always comes on time. You are already late for office. So this is also another form of adverb which you'll use. So I hope you have understood this, and in future we will try to use more of complex sentences and make it easy for you to speak better. Thank you for watching this session. Bye.